Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video I'm going to talk about saturation, and I'm going to be using the plugin that comes with Cubase Pro, which is Magneto 2. Basically what a saturator does is it sort of distorts the frequencies. It adds slight harmonics and things, and it just really boosts the track. It can create a lot more interesting sounds. I think the best thing to do is just show you. So if I load up this drum channel, and the saturator is here, so just click on that and that automatically loads up Magneto 2. And what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to load up an analyzer just so I can show you the frequencies. And this is the one that I usually use, Span. I'll put it down here in the corner. Right, so if I play the track now, this is the frequencies of the drum channel. And what I usually do is I put this saturator on pretty much every single instrument channel, and I always load up an analyzer and I look at the frequencies, because then you can use the frequencies that's shown here to adjust these little dials. So I can see that this drum channel is going from 60 Hz all the way up to 20k. I think for this example we'll put it down to around 8k. So 60 Hz, and then move this one up to 8k. See, we've got very slight boost on the effect. So let's start messing about with saturation and try and listen to what it sounds like the difference. I'll bypass the effect as well afterwards so you can hear. So listen to the change. It gives it, like, it just sort of distorts all the frequencies. See, it's very slight, but there's a difference. If I bypass it now, I'll switch it on and off and you can hear the difference. So this is on. Off. It's just fattening up the entire track. And yeah, if you use this on every single individual instrument, just find out where the frequencies are that's needed and then adjust it here. You can really fatten up your entire track. It's also a good idea to put it on the master out as well. But one thing I've noticed on the master out is try not to put it on the low frequencies on the master out, because you often lose the frequencies. So on the master out, just concentrate on, say, 400 to around 8 or 10k, and just distort them frequencies slightly. You'll properly fatten up your tracks. So that's my little tip for saturation. Try it on bass guitar tracks, and also percussion tracks work really well with this. If you want to get like a cinematic percussion, like, use Magneto 2 just to fatten it up. Create some really interesting sounds if you put it on the effects chain here. If you put a reverb on and then put the saturator on, you're saturating the reverb effect as well, and that can create some really interesting sounds. So yeah, experiment with that. Let me know how you get on. Leave your comments below, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.